Now, making money online is not that hard, just that many of us have access to the wrong information, right? Now, in this video, I want to share with you two platforms I've literally used to make money online by completing simple tasks, answering simple surveys, and these platforms are very easy to use, and you can make at least 2K to 5K every single day if you are really serious about this platform. I have made a lot of money from this very platform. That's the reason I'm sharing this with you, right? This is not a clickbait video. I'm not trying to just introduce a platform to you, right? This platform will easily help you to make money. If you are someone who is looking for side also, you can start making money online. You are a student, you are a stay-at-home mom, you are looking for something you can start doing on the side. I'll be fetching you some little income for your daily needs, right? This can be a starter pack for you, right? This can make you some few bucks, it can make you some few thousands, and it can pay some daily bills for you, right? With this said, I'll take you to my screen, sharing this platform to you and how you can go about them and how you can easily make money from there. But before then, if you are seeing this face for the first time, my name is Norma Evans, and in this very community, I share videos like this on how you can make money online, tech videos, how you can succeed on YouTube, how you can grow on the internet. If this sounds interesting to you, please, you are welcome to the family. Subscribe and turn on bell notification and smash that like button if you are getting value from this video. Now, with this said, I'll take you to my screen right now as I share this amazing platform with you. So let's go. Now, making money has ever been easy with this very platform right now. As you can see right now, this is my wallet balance. I have a wallet balance of 4,030 naira right now. I have withdrawn over 7,932 naira from this platform. Now, you can make quick cash, quick money with this platform regardless of whatever you do. If you are a student, you are a stay-at-home mom, you work 9 to 5, you are doing anything at all. Now, this can be a perfect side also for you if you want quick cash and you want to make money very fast to sort out some necessary bills and to add to your streams of income. Right now, this is the top earners on this very platform. As you can see, based on total withdrawal right here. As you can see right here, this is Harry 123. This guy has made over 1.4 million from this very platform, and this correct balance is 4,000 naira, and his account is activated. This is John Wett. He has made over 454,000 naira from this platform, and he has a current balance of 14,000 naira. Right, Solomon. Right, this guy has made over 346,000 naira. Right. This other person right here, this other person right here. These are people who are making a lot of money from this very platform. This is no cap. People are really making a lot of money from this platform. I'm not capping, guys. I'm not capping. You can be the next testifier on this platform who is making a lot of money from this platform if you follow the instructions I want to share in this very video, guys. Now, what this platform helps you do is that you just make money by just doing simple social media tasks, right? You don't have to do much thing. All you have to do is just your few minutes online. And number one ways is by doing simple social media tasks, right? Now, you can make as much money from this platform depending on the time you spend on this platform. What you do is very simple. You do simple social media tasks you do every day, like liking Instagram posts, liking Facebook posts, subscribing to YouTube channel, and you're sharing videos and liking videos online, right? As you can see right now, these are different tasks. As you can see, top available tasks right now. You can just like Instagram page, follow, and you make money from this. This is one of the simple way you can make money from this very platform. Another simple way to make money from this platform is by partnering with them and inviting your friends and family to join this platform, right? Now, if you invite anybody to join this platform, you make as high as 500 naira from this very platform by any referral you invite, right? If you come to price list right now, they are going to have access to all the earning lists from this platform. Now, these are earning lists from each of the tasks you do from this platform. Now, this is like a price list and any list on this very platform, right? Social media and price per service, right? So any of these tasks, before you can do any task from this platform, it's very important you come to their any list. As you can see right now, the first one you are seeing right here is Apple Music. You earn as high as 15 naira per any music you stream, right? Apple Store app review, you earn as high as 20 naira. Apple Store app download, you earn as high as 14 naira. Scroll down. These are all the social media activities, and this is the money you make from each of the activities, right? Now, it's very important you come to this very place so that you will know how much you are earning per task. Then you can easily calculate how much you will earn for how many services you do and how much you can make in few hours, in few minutes from this very platform. Right now, the money you can make from this platform depends on the time you spend on this very platform. Right now, to register on this platform is very simple. What you have to do is to go over to the link I'll be dropping in the description of this video or in the comment section. I'll be pinning it there. Go over there, click on that link, and it will take you to this very page. Now, to register on this platform is free, and to activate your account is just a one-time subscription of 1,000 naira. Now, this is a one-time payment you make that will activate your account for life. You're not going to be making any recurring amount or any recurring payment after this 1k you are making to activate your account. Now with this 1k payment, you have access to all the platform and everything this platform offers and all the ways to make money from this very platform, right? So if you activate your account and register your account with 1000 naira, once you register your account and activate your account with 1000 naira, and the first thing you want to do is to update your profile and input your social media link. This is very important. The reason you are inputting your social media link is to make sure that they are able to track your activities, right? Maybe you like a Facebook post and you submit your task. They will easily go to your Facebook and check if you really like this post, and they will pay you your money, right? These are the social media accounts we are going to be using to make money from this platform. That's why it's very important you have to add your social media right here. As you can see, these are my social media account. As you can see, all of them are activated. I just have to input them there so that they can know that, right? They can know that I've already my social media is linked and I can use this social media to start making money from this very platform. This is a primary tool. So add a social media link, click on add social media. Right, as you can see, you follow the instructions right here. This is important. Then you put in the social media you want to add. If it's audio bank, Boomplay, Facebook, put in Facebook right here. Then you have to put in your profile, your Facebook profile link, right? And make sure you add your social earnings username on your Facebook bio. The reason is because they want to know if you are the real user of that account. So once you've done that, in the next few hours, they are going to activate your account. Then you can remove your social earnings username. Then you can continue your activities, right? Once your account is activated, you can start using that Facebook or that account to start making money from this very platform. It's very simple and straightforward. Now, the next thing you want to do is to put in your payment details, right? Once you activate your account, you want to put in your payment details where you are able to receive your payment immediately to your account, right? Now, one of the things I love about this platform is that your payment is paid directly to your bank account and you receive your payment instantly, right? So I'm going to be demonstrating that in this very video for you to see how the payment is done. So right now, this is your payment, right? This is very important, right? This is my payment history and transaction history. Now to add your payment account, scroll down, then you can see add bank account right here. Now this is my bank account I already had right here. I can just go ahead and delete my bank account. I don't want to delete that. Click on add bank, then you can just put in your bank number. They are going to verify, then you put in your bank name right here. Then they will verify your account. Click on verify account details, then your account is going to be added immediately. It's very simple as that. I want to withdraw this money live in this very video, so you will see their payment method is very swift and fast, right? Now if you look at the time right now, I'm withdrawing this money around 2 p.m. right now. So if I click on withdraw to bank, I'm going to select my account, which is this account right now. Then I'll put in the amount I want to withdraw right here. Click on withdraw. If you look at the time right now, it's 2 p.m. I'll click on withdraw. Please wait. As you can see, withdrawal of 35 is successful. Your payment will be processed in seconds. Kindly refresh the page to view your payment withdrawal status, right? So I'm going to go over to my account right now to see if this money is already on my bank account. So if I come back to my bank account right now, exactly 2:01, which is 1 minute later, this money was paid to my bank account. If you check the time right here, if you look at the time right here, you're going to see that the time this money was paid to my account is exactly 2. That means the money was paid in my account in seconds, right? This is the money right here, as you can see. If you look at the remark right here, social earner, fund, social earning, right? And this is the money I just withdrew, and it was paid to my account exactly that same time, which is 2. Look at the time right here. So guys, this is a platform that pays you immediately to your bank account if you make money from them, right? If you're looking for ways to make fast money, quick money, this is the platform, right? Just go ahead and register with the first link right there in the description of this video or the comment section. Register a free account with them, activate your account with 1000 naira and start making money right now, right away. So these are statistics right now. They have over 190,000 plus users. They have posted over 100,000 tasks on this very platform, and tasks completed is over 100,000 tasks, and they have over 10k advertisers, and they have paid over 80 million naira to earners on this platform, right? An average earnings on this platform is an average person earn as high as 2,500 naira from this very platform. That means I'm not capping. This is real, and you can make real money from this platform. This is how you can get registered. Click on the first link in the description of this video, or you can just click on the link right here. I believe this video was valuable to you. If it was, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are finding value, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. I'll be sharing more ways to make money on this very channel. I only share ways to make legit money from this channel. Subscribe so that you will never miss out from my weekly videos on this very channel. Thanks again for watching, family. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I believe you got value from this video. Now this platform is amazing and they can make you a lot of money. Now what you need at first is to activate your account, right, which costs at least 1000 naira as of the time of filming this video, right? This is a one-time subscription that activates your account and give you access to all the benefits this platform offers, right? If you have any question, you have any concern, you have any challenges, you can drop everything in the comment section. I'll be there to reply to you. The links to register on this platform will be left down in the description of this video. Click it and start making money for yourself. If you want to explore more ways you can make money online, I have a playlist right here. Click here to access that video. I'll see you right in my next video. Bye for now.